Hey, g'day everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, after the last couple of videos I've done, I'm going to do a little featurette on a company that I've discovered quite recently based out of Melbourne, Australia. A company called Journey. So I've had a few products from them, and I've actually grown quite fond of the products that they're knocking out at the moment. So, just recently I got one of their keyring holders. Locate Finder Passport wallet, Finder wallet, and stand with money clip. So a few of these little quality of life things that they've been knocking out. But some time ago I got hold of one of their laptop sleeves with wireless charging, called the Nexa range, which is obviously designed for a laptop, but it also comes with a means of being able to charge up your AirPods and iPhone on the little dock on the side. Pretty much works from anywhere. You can use the sleeve as a mouse mat, and obviously it's a carry case. So I'll be doing a little review on that soon. And one of the other things I also picked up was their performance desk mat. Obviously I haven't got a desk mat on my desk at the moment, so I picked this up from them a little while ago. Again, it's got a charger on the side which is detachable, a few RGB lights, but apparently a very nice desk mat, so we're going to get to that a little bit later on. But the first things I wanted to touch on really is the company Journey. Like I say, they're based out of Melbourne, and they seem to do a lot of quality of life products. So I've had a few products from them and I've actually quite enjoyed them. The first one I wanted to show you was a key ring which they sell, which has got Apple certified tracking built in, Find My. So basically it's a very small key ring with a charging port with Find My built into it, and it's just a case of unscrewing the little nut on the end, screw your keys on there. It happens to come with a bottle opener built in already. But this become a handy little device because you can put your keys on it, your front door key and things like that. I think it holds up to 6 at any one time, but it makes them all trackable. So rather than using an AirTag with a key fob or something on a key ring, you can actually just put all your keys straight on there. No good for my car key because my car key is one of those modern ones that's actually a remote, so it doesn't fit in there at all. But like I say, it's handy for your front door key or certain house keys and things like that. So yeah, that's one of their little items I've actually quite enjoyed using. Great for holidays, anything like that. If you want to put your room keys and things like that, it makes everything trackable. The other thing I wanted to quickly show you was their Finder money clip. So this is a little wallet that you can magnetize to the back of your phone using MagSafe technology. If I show you here, it's a very good magnet on there, very strong, but this will hold a few cards in the back. You can open it out fully. It's got a little money clip, so you can put a few notes in there, and then it's got a slot for a couple of cards as well if you want them. Like I say, this is all connected to the Apple Find My system as well, so you can charge this and the battery lasts around 6 months. Very handy little device, especially if I want to go into town and I don't want to carry a wallet or anything like that. I'll literally just put it on the back of the phone. It does work as a stand. Works very well for the side and upright. And it's a pretty handy little device. Nice little thing to have. So the other thing I wanted to quickly touch on from Journey is they do a passport wallet. And this is a generation 1. I've just checked their website and they've actually brought out a Gen 2 series now. But because we're planning on going back to the UK in the next 6 months or so, I wanted something that I could keep my travel tickets in, keep my passport in, any cards that I need to carry, a little bit of cash, but it's actually tied into the Find My system. So I'm going to quickly unbox this now, and we'll see where we go from there. I've never actually used one of these before, but I think it's probably a very handy little device to have. And again, it's from Journey. I've used their products before and I trust them quite a lot. So yeah, here we go. Let's have a little look. Nothing else comes in the box. It's very empty. Just the wallet. So there we go. It's actually very nice. So what do we have? So you've just got your usual books, a couple of little stickers. Put that to the side. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, so this is your little charging cable. Like I say, it works with a Find My network, so you charge it up just before you use it and it will last you months. So there it is. It's a little USB, like a pogo pin style, and as you can see, just under the flap there, we've got the little connector, so it just magnetizes on, plug it into a USB charger and it charges up the internal battery. So that's very nice. But as you can see, it's actually a very nice system, very sturdy. Little pen holder in there. Love, really nice fabric. Love the fabric on there with a mix of plastic. I'll just grab my passport out. It looks like you can just slot your passport into the back there. Close it up. Keep your airline tickets, your driving license, your cards, anything else you may need. And yeah, very nice. I like it. So we have, just to the side there, we have a little button. There you go, there's your little start-up sound. I'll just open my phone and go to Find My. Okay, there we go. So we've just done a scan for a device and it says on there locate passport wallet. So we click on connect. So I'll just rename it to passport wallet. Continue. Enter an emoji. Let's see if we can find an emoji for passport. Yeah, we can have a little logo on there. Click on continue. Just put my account on there. Finish. There we go. So that is now paired up to my phone. You can see on there passport wallet. Play the sound. So if it ever gets lost, there you go. Stop playing the sound, and then obviously we can click on directions and we can find exactly where it is. So that's it. It's as simple as that. Very quick, very easy. I'm not going to show you too much on my phone screen because obviously it's got my address. And I don't want to be putting out my address just yet. But yeah, there you go. Very quick video for you. Very nice item. Love the fabric on it. Feels really nice to the touch. I'll find a nice stubby pen to put in there. But great little passport holder. Seems like it's RFID as well, so it will protect your details while they're in there. So yeah, there you go. Nice little wallet made by Journey. I do highly recommend these stuff. This is not sponsored. They haven't sent it to me. I paid for this out of my own pocket. I just think it's a good item to share. A lot of people probably don't even know it exists, but there you go. So if you're planning on doing any travels or you travel a lot and you want something to keep your passport nice and safe, but you want it traceable, you want to be able to find it if it gets lost, there you go. Have a look on journey.com.au. They do have agents all over the place. They've got offices in the USA, the UK, Canada, Europe, and obviously here in Australia. So they will ship pretty much anywhere. Really good prices, always got sales on. But if you check out their website now, they actually have the Gen 2 of all these products. So go and have a look, see what you think, and then I'll be following on with a review later for their laptop sleeve and the desk mat. So yeah, hope this has helped you out. have a look at their products. I stand by them. They've worked really well for me, no problems. And yeah, enjoy. Drop me a comment if you have any experience with these or any bad experiences. I'd like to hear some feedback. And if you liked this video, if it helped you out in any way, just drop me a like and maybe a subscribe if you want to see any further Journey products. Thank you very much. Talk to you later. Bye bye.